Hello, friends. Welcome back to the channel. If you're over 60 and experiencing frequent falls, bone pain, or catching every illness that comes around, your body might be sending you a critical message. Today, I'm sharing 7 warning signs that seniors are vitamin D deficient and why this becomes so much more dangerous as we age. Plus, I'll show you exactly how to fix this safely at any age. If you're 60 or older, or if you're caring for someone who is, this video could be life-changing. Did you know that up to 90% of seniors are vitamin D deficient? And this isn't just about feeling tired, it's about preventing falls, fractures, and serious health complications. Let's dive into what you need to know. First, let's talk about why vitamin D deficiency becomes such a big problem as we age. Your skin becomes less efficient at producing vitamin D from sunlight. In fact, a 70-year-old produces about 25% less vitamin D than a 20-year-old from the same sun exposure. Many seniors also spend more time indoors, may have limited mobility to get outside, and often live in assisted living facilities or northern climates with less sun. Plus, your kidneys don't convert vitamin D as efficiently as you age, and certain medications commonly prescribed to seniors can interfere with vitamin D absorption. This isn't your fault, it's just biology. But the good news is, once you know this, you can take action to protect yourself. Here are the 7 warning signs that are especially important for seniors to watch for. Sign number 1: increased falls and balance problems. This is the big one for seniors. Vitamin D deficiency causes muscle weakness, especially in your legs and core. Studies show seniors with low vitamin D are 70% more likely to fall. If you're feeling unsteady, grabbing onto furniture more often, or have had any falls recently, vitamin D could be the missing piece. Sign number 2: bone pain and fractures. As we age, our bones naturally lose density, but vitamin D deficiency accelerates this dramatically. You might feel deep aches in your hips, lower back, or ribs. Even minor bumps might cause fractures. Without adequate vitamin D, your body literally cannot absorb the calcium you're eating, no matter how much milk you drink. Sign number 3: frequent infections and slow recovery. Are you catching every cold, flu, or a stomach bug that goes around? Taking weeks to recover from illnesses that used to pass quickly? Your immune system needs vitamin D to function properly. Seniors with adequate levels get sick 40% less often and recover much faster. Sign number 4: severe fatigue. Despite adequate sleep. This isn't normal aging fatigue. This is bone-deep exhaustion even after 8 hours of sleep. Vitamin D is essential for your cells to produce energy. Many seniors think this tiredness is just part of getting older, but it could be completely reversible. Sign number 5: depression and mood changes. Seniors are already at higher risk for depression, and vitamin D deficiency makes this much worse. If you've noticed increased sadness, anxiety, or just don't enjoy activities you used to love, especially during winter months, low vitamin D could be contributing significantly. Sign number 6: muscle weakness and difficulty with daily activities. Having trouble getting up from chairs, climbing stairs, or opening jars. Vitamin D deficiency causes actual changes in muscle fibers, making everyday tasks harder. This isn't just about strength, it's about maintaining your independence. Sign number 7: memory problems and cognitive decline. This one is crucial. Vitamin D receptors are found throughout your brain. Low levels are linked to increased risk of dementia and cognitive decline. If you're experiencing more forgetfulness or mental fog, vitamin D deficiency could be a treatable contributing factor. If you recognize yourself in several of these signs, please don't brush this off as just getting older. You deserve to feel strong, energetic, and healthy at any age. If this information is helping you understand symptoms you've been experiencing, please subscribe to this channel and share this video with your friends, family, and especially your adult children who care about your well-being. Together, we can help more seniors recognize these warning signs and take action to stay healthy and independent. Now let's talk about realistic solutions for seniors. The recommended amount is 800 to 1,000 IU daily for seniors, but many experts suggest 1,500 to 2,000 IU for optimal bone health and immune function. Here are the best vitamin D foods for seniors: canned salmon, easy to eat and affordable, 300 to 400 IU per 3 ounces. Sardines, the soft bones provide calcium too, 200 to 300 IU per 3 ounces. Eggs, especially pasture-raised, 40 IU per large egg. Fortified milk, most seniors already drink this, 100 to 144 international units per cup. Fortified cereals, easy breakfast option, 40 to 100 IU per serving. Mushrooms, UV-treated varieties, 200 to 400 IU per cup. Let me give you 3 senior-friendly daily meal plans. Meal Plan 1, easy and nutritious breakfast, 1 cup fortified cereal with 1 cup fortified milk. That's 200 IU, plus 1 scrambled egg for 40 IU. Lunch, canned salmon salad sandwich, 300 IU. Mix canned salmon with mayo and eat on soft bread. Dinner, 2 scrambled eggs, 80 IU, with toast and a glass of fortified milk for 120 IU. Meal Plan 2, Heart-Healthy Focus. Breakfast, oatmeal made with fortified milk, 120 IU, plus 1 hard-boiled egg for 40 IU. Lunch, sardines on crackers, 250 IU, very soft and easy to chew. Dinner, baked salmon fillet, 200 IU, with mashed sweet potatoes. Meal Plan 3, budget-friendly breakfast, 2 eggs any style, 80 IU, with 1 cup fortified milk for 120 IU. Lunch, tuna salad with 1 egg mixed in, 40 IU on soft bread. Dinner, egg drop soup made with 2 eggs, 80 IU, plus fortified milk for cooking. Here are some meal prep tips for seniors. Hard-boil a dozen eggs at once for easy protein all week. Buy pre-cooked canned salmon and sardines. Consider meal delivery services that include vitamin D-rich foods. Here's the reality. Even with the best diet, most seniors need supplements to get adequate vitamin D, but there are special considerations for older adults. Supplement guidelines for seniors. Start with 1,000 to 2,000 international units of vitamin D3 daily. D3 is much better absorbed than D2. Take with the largest meal of the day for better absorption. Choose liquid or soft gel forms if you have trouble swallowing pills. Getting tested, essential for seniors. Ask your doctor for a 25-hydroxyvitamin D test. Seniors should aim for 40 to 50 nanograms per milliliter for optimal bone health and immune function. Test every 3 to 4 months initially, then twice yearly once levels are stable. A few crucial points specifically for seniors: sun exposure, 10 to 15 minutes of midday sun on arms and legs several times per week. But be careful, senior skin is more sensitive and burns more easily. Never skip sunscreen for prolonged exposure. Mobility issues. If you're homebound or have limited mobility, supplements become even more critical. Consider a vitamin D light box for winter months, but supplements are still necessary. Listen, maintaining your health and independence as you age isn't just about you. It's about staying strong for your family, your grandchildren, and everyone who loves you. Vitamin D deficiency is completely preventable and treatable, no matter your age. You have the power to reduce your fall risk, strengthen your bones, boost your immune system, and feel more energetic. That's not just wishful thinking. That's what the science shows happens when seniors optimize their vitamin D levels. If this video has helped you understand why you might be experiencing some of these symptoms, please subscribe to this channel. I create these videos specifically to help seniors and their families make informed health decisions. Your subscription helps me reach more people who need this life-changing information. And here's what I want to know from you. After hearing about all these food options and meal ideas, which approach are you most interested in trying? Are you going to start with more eggs and fortified milk, try those easy canned salmon meals, or maybe talk to your doctor about the right supplement routine for you? Write in the comments below. I would love to hear from you, and I personally read every comment. Remember, it's never too late to take control of your health. Whether you're 60, 70, 80, or beyond, your body can still respond beautifully to proper nutrition and supplementation. You deserve to feel strong, healthy, and independent at any age. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video where we'll discuss the best exercises for seniors to maintain bone density and prevent falls. Take care of yourself. You're worth it.